Welcome students. Today we are going to discuss about a very known problem in the chapter Newton's laws of motion. Here you can see we have two blocks M1 and M2 kept side by side and a force F is applied on them. Since they are both in contact with each other, so a contact force comes into play which is denoted by F1 over here. As you can see from here that F1, there is two forces, both are F1. Since M1 is giving a force on M2 and M2 is having a reaction force on M1, so both are equal and opposite. Now in order to here the problem is you have to find out the acceleration of the entire system of two blocks, how it moves. So for this what we must do is we separately draw the free body diagram of both the blocks. Free body diagram means we'll consider each block and we'll draw all the forces which are acting on the block. So for the first block we have its weight which acts downward and the reaction force of the surface acts vertically upwards. These two are equal and opposite, so they cancel out and we have the other two forces on the x-axis horizontal, F1 and F2, F1 and F. From here we will get the equation of motion. Since the acceleration is a, so we have the net force which we write as F minus F1 because F is in this direction and F1 is in the opposite direction. So F minus F1 will be our resultant force. This will be equal to the mass of the block into the acceleration. Similarly, we'll draw the free body diagram of the second block. Here I have not drawn the forces, weight and the reaction forces since they have no role over here, and we see that the second block has only one force which is F1, which is, so we get the equation of motion as F1 will be equal to the mass of the block into acceleration. Now we substitute this value of F1 in the first equation and we get F minus M2A is equal to M1A. Then putting together the acceleration, taking out the acceleration, we get the result. And after this, one more step, you have to find out A. So A will be equal to F divided by M1 plus M2. So this is a very simple problem. Next, you can try this same thing with a third block over here. Okay. Now if you can do this, you can comment me on this video, and if you have having any problem, that also you can let me know. Thank you for watching this video.